Blazing star flowers, also known as Leotris spicata or gay feather, are beautiful perennials that produce tall spikes of colorful bottle brush-like blooms. These hardy plants are relatively easy to grow and can add a burst of color and vertical interest to your garden. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to plant and grow blazing star flowers. 1. Choose the right location. Blazing star flowers prefer full sun, so select a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure good soil drainage to prevent waterlogged roots. They can tolerate a range of soil types, but do best in well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soil. 2. Prepare the soil. Work organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, into the soil to improve its fertility and structure. Remove any weeds or rocks from the planting area. 3. Planting. Plant blazing star bulbs or tubers in the spring or fall. You can also grow them from seeds, but it may take a longer time to see blooms. Space the plants about 12 to 18 inches apart, as they will grow into clumps. Dig a hole that is slightly deeper than the root system and place the bulb or tuber in the hole with the pointed end facing up. Cover it with soil and gently pat it down. If planting from seeds, sow them on the surface of the soil and lightly press them down. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate. 4. Watering. Water newly planted blazing star flowers thoroughly to help establish their root systems. Once established, water them regularly, providing about 1 inch of water per week, especially during dry periods. Avoid overwatering, as they don't like soggy soil. 5. Mulch. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or shredded bark, around the base of the plants to help retain moisture and control weeds. 6. Fertilizing. Blazing star flowers don't typically require a lot of fertilizer. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in the spring is usually sufficient. 7. Support. Tall varieties of blazing star may benefit from staking or other support as they grow, especially if they are prone to bending or toppling over. 8. Deadheading. To encourage more blooms and prolong the flowering period, deadhead. Remove spent blooms regularly. 9. Winter care. In colder climates, apply a layer of mulch or straw in late fall to protect the plant's roots from winter frost. 10. Divide and propagate. Every 2-3 years, consider dividing established clumps in the spring or fall to maintain healthy, vigorous plants. Dig up the clump, separate the bulbs or tumors, and replant them with adequate spacing. Blazing star flowers are relatively low maintenance once established and can attract pollinators like butterflies and bees to your garden. With proper care, they will reward you with their striking, vibrant blooms year after year.